Take advantage of amazing offers on Infiniti luxury performance vehicles of up to $10,500. Third, visit your local GTA Infiniti.
Everybody loves Save the Tax. Save the tax on any purchase. Save 5. Enjoy free delivery on all major appliances.
Everyone on your list. As Canada's holiday beauty destination, we have the big Shop Beauty at Hudson's Bay.
A special weather statement remains in effect with another 20 centimeters on the way. Driving home. Got to take a look at a lot of drivers next to me yesterday on the way home. I wish we were driving home yesterday. We weren't. We were crawling. If you just jammed, like every turn you made, there were, you were stopped, and then, you were stopped. It was crazy. And so yesterday we had our beautiful breakfast with the broadcast at Casa Loma as we said goodbye to Aaron Davis doing the morning show, and it was this beautiful send-off. And so I got a ride there, and I knew I was going to get a ride from there into work, so I thought I don't need to put on, and it was beautiful yesterday. It started out sunny, and there was no forecast for all that crazy snow, so
Full of family. Enjoy some space to yourself in the comfort of a brand new
with a Honda. Old Navy's got great gifts for everyone on your list. And the items jewelry today only and 2-day only deals.
Another feel-better moment from Rexall Farm.
I'm just going to go to my local Rexall. They've got last-minute holiday gift ideas like Toblerone 360-gram bars for $5.99, plus holiday...
String of lights that still needs to be hung. You think to yourself, forget that 1 in 10 Canadians still live in poverty. Please.
$1 a day for the rest of your life.
Yeah, let's see, 1,000... Whoa.
I think the penny just dropped.
Hi, I'm Victor Borjashim. Up for your holiday gatherings from great local wines.
A time of year when there's an overwhelming feeling of warmth despite the cold. When it truly does feel like it's...
If you're going to venture out onto the roadways right now, be prepared. Every route that isn't snow covered is completely jammed. A number of vehicles that are spinning out, going into the ditch. Anywhere that there's a hill involved, you're going to find lots of vehicles struggling to get over it.
Well, name would be Tootsie McSprinkles. I love it.
All you strangers who know me.
Drive 250 meters, then turn left on Ruddington Drive.
In the frosty air, in the one-horse sleigh, getting up.
Together for the holiday.
Wendy. Now, first things first, Wendy.
Arriving at home, on right.
Are you in the GTA? Oh, that's it. I got to move to Oakville. Okay.
I know.
My goodness. Well, glad you're all safe and sound out there and enjoying a little bit of sunshine.